Hey everybody, it's your girl Chiefess, and I have here in my hands the famous Gucci belt. Oh, whoa, I almost don't want to open it, y'all. So look, I'm in a hurry today, so this video is gonna be like really short, but it's gonna be straight to the point. So this is the size the box comes in or whatever. I paid for expedited because I'm so impatient. It still took it 2 days to get here. And I expected it to come in one day because I'm the GOAT. And the GOAT deserves prompt service. But anywho, at any rate, we're going to go ahead and open this box. Shit. All right, y'all. Let me see. Hold on. How do you open this fancy ass box? All right. Rip it. What I'm going to do is say, rip it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my birthday gift from my husband. Yeah, he's the bomb, right? Like, who husband just buys some Gucci belts? Like, I know, bitch. I got the best. Anyway, okay. Oh, child. Ooh, shit. Look at this. Hold on. Let's get all this. We got to capture all this, honey. Look, y'all. I don't want to open it. I don't want to open it. Like, oh my God. Oh shit. I ain't throwing none of this away. Okay. All right. Shit, I got real. I got an envelope, y'all. Gucci. For anybody who ever thought that your girl was out here going to wear some fake designer, you're wrong. Boom! This is real. Sorry, just had to do that for the haters. Let's read. Thank you for your recent purchase with Gucci.com. We are committed to offering you exceptional customer service and want you to be completely satisfied with your order. If you find you would like to make a return, blah, 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 bitch, get to the point. Okay, so anyway, this is what you need to expect, that they're going to give you a letter. They're going to run down the whole shindig till you let you know the return policy, the exchanges, how you can return, blah, yada, yada. Okay? Okay. So, Gucci. Oh, this is a note from my husband. Because I got a boyfriend. Turn husband. I just felt like saying that B. Simone shit. That should be popping. But anyway, so yes, it says, and I quote, just want you to know you're the GOAT. Happy birthday, wife. Because I'm the GOAT, I'm the GOAT, I'm the GOAT, I'm the GOAT, I'm the GOAT. You better know that. All right, so let's move right along. This is the best birthday gift I done ever had. This man done topped all the boyfriends and the parents and the grandparents. Woo! Sorry, y'all. You know I ain't mean nothing by that. All right, so here's a little card it comes with here. Thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. We hope that you enjoy your Gucci purchase. Each item has been skillfully designed and made using the highest quality materials by Italian artisans. Sorry, yeah. Please contact us if you have any questions, and we look forward to assisting you again at Gucci.com and in our Gucci stores. Okay? Okay, your girl gonna keep that too. All right, put that to the side. Okay, so I gotta tease y'all first. All right, so look, next we have the bag. It's like a little tote, little bag that you would put your stuff in, your belt, because you can't just have that laying around with the old belts, baby. No, it can't sit next to the Walmarts and the Targets anymore. It has to have its own bag, and you have to hang that shit on the other side of the closet. Okay? Okay, so look at that. Boom. Yes. It's so lovely. I'm a bougie bitch today. Yes, I am. All right, moving right along. The moment we've all been waiting for. Y'all, it's that serious. I don't care. Eat me up in the comments, baby. I don't care, because I'm from the hood. And I ain't never had shit. So he done brought me about my hood ways and got a bitch some designer. It's okay. Tears. Y'all see some tears? They about to go. All right, so look, this is the box. Boom. Gucci. This is not fake anywhere. No, you don't see any fakeness anywhere. Baby. Yeah. I really don't want to mess up the bow. But it must go. All right. Okay, so this is the box again. And you have to open it from the side. Like this. I'm sorry my camera's so high, y'all, but I'm trying to, let me see. Bring it down a smidgen. All right, so it's sealed up perfectly. You know, it has a little sticker here. Bow, bow, bow. And a nice little Gucci tag, okay? So, I was kind of nervous. Let me play with y'all for a minute. I was so nervous ordering this belt at first because I'm, believe it or not, plus size. And, you know, I was like, this shit only gonna look cute on them skinny bitches, you know, because they ain't got no stomach and whatnot and blah, 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 blah. But then I was like, you know what, bitch? You is the GOAT, so get you a belt. And then you just make that shit work to the best of your ability. So I said, okay, just buy your ass a nice little trainer, little corset, little, what they call them, little things, you know what I'm saying? Just buy you one of them and keep it moving. You ain't that big, bitch. All right, so just to let y'all know, I did buy this in a size 115. My waist, don't get me the line. If I correct it and put it up on the screen later, y'all, but I think like my waist and shit was like a 46 or some shit like that. You know, the lower part 46 and the upper part like 42, something like that. I'll let y'all know later. But anyway, I'm stop playing. Okay, here we go. All right. So then, I'm open it like that. Okay, I just ripped it. Okay. So they so fancy now. They gave me another bag. Okay, before they playing with me. While I'm playing with y'all, they playing with me. Okay. So look, we got another bag. Okay, secure the bag, no, secure the belt. Okay. So here we go. Y'all, I'm gonna cry if this thing don't fit me right here. Cause what I did, I ain't gonna lie, I did end up buying me a the little tape measure thing to go around my waist. But see, at first I was watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos trying to find plus size girls who like my size or whatever, and I was just going off what they said. Oh, she bought this, I'm gonna get that too. You know, it should fit both of us, sis, you know. So that's kind of what I did here, but I did do my own measurements, but you know, we gonna see. All right, so here we go. Before I get to the real deal, it is also covered up again with this little plastic piece. So we're gonna take this apart. Talk about special. Ooh, I feel so special. Ooh, baby. Yes. So here we are. Yes, yes. As my daughter would say, yes. It's Gucci. Bow. So I like the gold color. It's kind of, you know, gold, but it's kind of rustic gold a little bit, you know, metallic. It kind of gives me metallic vibes, you know. And the belt is textured. Yes. I've been hearing, you know, doing a lot of research that the textured thing is better because why? Damn. Because because the solid one, it kind of like wear and tear quicker. Like if you scratch it or whatever, it's gonna show more, you know, it just gets old quicker. So the texture look is a little better. All right. So all right, let's look right here on the inside. It says Gucci, made in Italy. Okay, and it's got the digits. Look at them digits, dog. Check out the digits, okay? That let you know. Sorry, y'all, I'm back. But some fool wanted to call me while I was in the middle of my review. So please pardon your girl. But anyway, so it's got numbers here. That lets you know it's real. So if a bitch ever try you, this what you do. Take off your belt. Turn that thing around. And boom. Put that shit in her face. Be like, bitch, what? I ought to whoop you with. Turn her this on. All right? Let me stop. Anywho, I'm so excited. And like I said, this is a little tag that it came with. And it has the, let's see, the barcode and extra information here. If y'all can see that there. Let it focus. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. So it's got the information there, whatever. Yes, this is the 115. I don't know what that B stand for, y'all. Oh, shit, I don't know what that stand for. We're gonna see. But yeah, just to let you know that this the real deal. Nobody didn't come to play when it not comes to play. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna try the belt on. I have on this black little get up right here. Y'all can't really, you know, see it, but in my next video, well, not next video, but when I come back in, you'll be able to see this belt with me on this dress. If it fit, fingers crossed, bitches. Bye.
Really, Rosalie? Look at my body. Ooh, my body. Don't hurt nobody, body. I got that body.